Hi, my name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services out of Seminole, Florida. I've been in the business and the finance world for well over 25 years. Today, we're going to speak a little bit about Beacon Score factors. What are they and how do they impact your credit? Well, Beacon Score is very similar, or another name, quite frankly, for your FICO score. There are three major credit bureaus in the United States. Each one of them uses a different algorithm to determine what your score is, and one might call it a FICO score, one might call it a Beacon. However, in general, all three basically look for the same type of percentages and the same types of things when determining what your credit score is. And those three little digits can mean a huge difference between lowering your interest rate or raising your interest rate when it comes to taking out any type of loans, cars, homes, that type of stuff. So, generally, what do they look for? In most cases, about 30 to 35%, they're looking at the history of your credit scores. They're also looking at about 30% of your debt load. Then you look at the length, the number of recent inquiries, and then finally a small percent of what types of credit do you have. All of these are very, very important. I always tell folks, if you haven't done it, get a record from all three of the big bureaus. In the United States today, you are allowed to ask for one copy once a year. Exercise your right. Take a look and make sure that there's no items on there that you're not familiar with and that everything appears to be correct. That's going to affect your Beacon or your FICO scores. So keep in mind, when you're talking about Beacon and FICO, about 35% is history, about 30% is debt, 10% maybe for length of time you've had it, recent inquiries, and then, of course, the types of credit that you have. Make sure that you seek good, competent counsel. Look for nonprofit agencies to help you if you can't get this under control, or give someone like ourselves a call. My name is Bill Ray. I'm with Alumni Financial Services, and we're here to help you build wealth.